Thank you for joining me. In this video, I'm going to be showcasing how to attach a handle to a Fhiaba unit. So we are going to take the handle, we're going to mount it onto the top and bottom studs at the same time. After the handle is on there, I'm going to go ahead and tighten the screws. I'm going to start at the bottom and then work my way up to the top. And then always, as a reminder, make sure you use any sort of Loctite or thread tight to ensure that these screws stay nice and snug. You are going to use the provided Allen wrench with the install kit. Find your set screw. And then begin to tighten until finger tight, and then give it a nice strong quarter turn just to ensure it is snug. Once you have your bottom or top portion tightened, move to the opposite. To then tighten that down to the door. Make sure you take your time. Don't want to scratch the panel, and make sure everything is nice and tight so it doesn't come off. And that is how you install a door handle to a Fhiaba unit.